going to do some cutting down of the old growth on our islands, which is a pretty important thing to us. We want to make sure that all the plants, the different species that like to come up early in the year, starting in maybe spring, early spring, we want to make sure that they get plenty of sunlight, because in nature that's normally how they know that the seasons are changing. So for us, and if you look in here, you can see a couple different spots where we have some small growth coming up. So all we're going to do is cut down the other stuff that might be shading out this small basil leaf growth. Here, just give this stuff a haircut, probably right about a little over halfway. Any of this leafy green basil leaves that are coming up in between the rows and stuff, you know we didn't plant. So you can go ahead and try to pull that a little bit. Pull this. The biggest ones are the hibiscus mosquitoes, which is the rose mallow. We have a lot of the Carex species, so Carex scamosa, Carex lacustris. We have a lake sedge, which is Juncus effusus. So I have a couple other assorted things, some Spartina, some Veronica, all kinds of stuff.
So right now I've just cut down some of our rose mallow, otherwise known as hibiscus, from our gardens last year, and I've made a dried prairie flower bouquet.